This video is about the one-liner questions of the chapter The Harappan Civilization. But to be honest, I didn't want to make a whole video just about these questions. I would have provided a PDF as well, but I don't have a proper audience right now, and I really wanted these students giving their boards in the next year to read these questions. So that's why I made this video about these multiple choice questions which are without options, because I didn't want to spoil anyone watching this video. Okay, so let's get started. Seals is the most distinctive artifact of the Harappan civilization. The Harappan civilization is also known as Indus Valley civilization. Now, seals were made up of a stone called statite, and statite is a very soft stone. It is very easy to scribe over statite. Now, approximately 2600 and 1900 BC, this is the time period of the Harappan civilization. Now, this time period may differ in different books, so you can just stick with the time period mentioned in your NCERT book. Archaeobotanists are the specialists of ancient plant remains, and archaeozoologists or zoo archaeologists are the specialists in animal remains. Now the seventh question is, in Cholistan and Banavali, which is in Haryana, terracotta models of blue are found. And in Kalibangan, which is in Rajasthan, plot fields are found. Canals are found at Shotugai, which is in Afghanistan. Water reservoirs are found in Dholavira, which is in Gujarat. The first site ever discovered is Harappa in India, and the most well-known site is Mohenjo-daro. Now, Alexander Cunningham is the first Director General of the Archaeological Survey of India, and he is also known as the father of the Archaeological Survey of India. Citadel within Lothal wasn't walled off, and the entire settlement within Dholavira and Lothal was fortified. In Lothal, the sites were built of mud bricks and drains were made of burnt bricks, which is very exceptional because you can see the drains were made of burnt bricks while the houses were made up of mud bricks. The great bath was used for ritual baths. The material made of ground and sand or silica mixed with color and gum and then fried is known as faience. Objects kept by people inside containers are known as hoards. The size of Mohenjo-daro was 125 hectares and the size of Chanu-daro was less than 7 hectares. Now, Dholavira, Chanu-daro and Lothal the archaeologists have found specialized drills in Dholavira, Chanu-daro and Lothal. Rejects and waste materials are the best indicators of craft work. The means of transportation for land route was bullock cart. Indus and its tributaries were used for riverine transportation. Now these are some of the materials and these are some of the places where these materials were found. Shell was found at Nageshwar and Balakot. Lapis lazuli was found at Shotugai in Afghanistan. Carnelian was found at Bharuch in Gujarat. Statite was found at South Rajasthan and North Gujarat. Metal was found at Rajasthan. Copper was found at Khetri region of Rajasthan and Oman. Gold was found at South India. Now, Megan is the another name of Oman. Harappa is also mentioned as Meluha in Mesopotamian texts. The longest inscription ever found had 26 signs, and the number of signs exist are between 375 to 400. Harappans used to write from right to left direction like this. The weights were made up of a stone called chert. Later Harappan is also known as successor culture. Now Dayaram Sahni was the one who discovered earliest seals of Harappa, and Rakhaldas Banerjee found similar seals in at Mohenjo-daro. Stratigraphy is the study of layers of the soil. John Marshall announced the discovery of the Harappan civilization in the year 1924. This is very important. The Great Bath and Fire Altar had ritual significance. Linga is a polished stone worshipped as a symbol of Shiva. Now, shamans were the men and women who claimed magical and healing powers and have the ability to communicate with the other world. This is all about this video, and when I gave my board exams, I wanted these type of questions, but at that time the pattern changed and none of the books had so many questions about the multiple choice questions. So I had to prepare a list of questions by myself. So I am providing these same questions to in this video, because during the exams you don't have the time to revise all this stuff. So you want everything right in front of you in a very good sequence. So this is what this video is about, and I will probably make similar kind of questions for other chapters as well. For more such videos, subscribe to the channel and like and share with your friends and do all the necessary stuff.